Disclaimer. All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled, professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Today we back. We're here with Cuzzo Twin. We got his friend here today too as well.
You gotta give me the sauce today, huh?
Yeah. Nothing too crazy.
Don't worry.
Yeah, so boom. So we're going on a point of view drive today. This is probably the only time you're gonna see iPhone footage. I was gonna bring the camera, but there's no point. Like I said, it's the only iPhone footage of the day. We're gonna have the GoPro mounted. We're gonna be chilling with the guys. We're gonna see what stock turbo versus Z1 turbo is really about.
Yo, pull your car right here.
How much is really pushing for.
Right. I'm max effort stock turbo.
Yeah.
He's like semi-max effort upgraded turbo.
And we have
but I'm gutted, he's full weight.
But we have basically the same exact mods though, besides the turbos.
Somewhat, yeah, besides the turbos and injectors. But yeah, that's about it. And the low pressure fuel pump.
Yeah, it's minor stuff.
Yeah, minor stuff.
But yeah, so it's gonna be a pretty good even matchup. I'm full weight plus. I got a little BBL in my car.
Oh, ho, brother, ho, whoa, now.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm doing it right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the BBL in this trunk, cause hold on, the Q is looking thumbnail. Jeez. And this bitch is dirty as fuck. I need to wash it so bad. Oh hell no. I have not touched this shit in mad long. Alright, boom. So let me show you the BBL. Cause motherfuckers really don't believe that. Big ass speakers, mad tools, everything your boy would need if he breaks down. We got that BBL. Yo, alright, so we finally in the car now. Like I said, it's gonna be a point of view drive, not really too much talking. I was gonna set up a fucking mic in the engine bay, but I forgot to right as we started fucking driving already, so it's a little too late now. But I am going to at least get y'all the footage from inside the car, and hopefully that is good enough. And then we will actually do a different kind of 3D ASMR audio video when I actually get the mics to work in the engine bay. That way it's just no talking, literally just straight audio of the car, the exhaust, and the intakes. Straight turbo. But yeah, as you can see, we got the guys in front of us. We're gonna be driving somewhere. I think it's like a 30-minute drive or so. But yeah, finally gonna see what these Z1s is hitting like versus a full send stock turbo Q. We also have another Q with us today, but he's like, I would say 420, 430 wheel, around those numbers. He's simple bolt-ons, nothing too crazy. But he definitely has a dope setup as well. But he's actually rear-wheel drive too, so that motherfucker spin, even at just 400. So we'll see what's up. Car is looking good. A little update from all the fuel line stuff and the boost leaks. Boost leak was actually completely fixed. It wasn't a boost leak the whole time. My wastegates were actually misaligned this whole time. So I made the power I did with wastegates that were off by about 2+ millimeters, which if you know anything about turbos and shit, 2 millimeters is a huge difference. So yeah. Car is nice and warmed up. Man, I need new tires bad because these fronts are so worn out, the car just fucking wavers. I actually hate that shit. This motherfucker moving. You can crack open the window just a tiny bit. That way we can be able to hear a little bit more of the outside. Oh shit, my son popping. Yeah, my car doesn't got burble. I can't be doing that. Ooh. Just those little subtle turbo sounds, man. I hope the mic picks it up. Because with the front mount intakes, everything happens like in the front. So it's like hard to get it on mic sometimes. I'm surprised this shit didn't take us straight on the other highway. That shit must have been packed. If anybody's wondering why your boy is just chilling in automatic, we just relaxing because I know these boys is gonna wild out in a little bit. I'm gonna let the car get cool, get nice and you know, feeling up to the weather. Let her get used to everything, and then yeah, then we could go a little crazy. This man Twin is a fucking smoke machine with his car. My shit's a literal fucking chimney. My car does not do that shit. The only Q I know that does that. I love this car. I ain't gonna lie, this Q looks like it's in mint condition. I don't know if he just because he washed that shit or what. That was weird. Shit sounded like the car stuttered for a second. Oh man. The fucking let off on this car is amazing. I'm confused. Why we got blinkers on but we're not exiting? I think they trying to let him know. I'm a little confused. I missed that low end. Not gonna lie. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Yo, my brakes are rumbling. These rotors are shot. Jeez, look at that. Yo, this shit was flying though. Nah, where did Twin go? That's Mr. Safety, I forgot. We left Mr. Safety. I'll never forget, last night, Twin with the Q, he was like, yo, I can't wait till I get these big turbos to bully you because I know tomorrow you're gonna win. I'm like, yeah, I'm excited for that too, but we'll see about bully. And he's like, I just want you to get used to the power first. He texted me back. He's like, bro, you know who you're talking to? Mr. Safety. That shit had me weak. I love that man. Damn, he's all the way back there. I kind of left him. Oh, that Porsche wailing. My son got places to be. Oh, there he goes, Mr. Safety. Oh, I thought it was about a race. Oh, they might. Oh, what's happening? Oh, this man. Sheesh. Here goes Mr. Safety, flaming like a chimney, blowing fucking flames. I heard that choppiness. I was like, uh-oh. Damn, I should have stood in that lane. I really should have stood in that lane. I really should have stood in that lane, but we're gonna get back. My dumbass forgot I was in manual for a second. Yeah, you see that? Yo, I'm a fucking brick sometimes. Traffic, gotta love it. Why do I keep getting on the fucking slow lane?
I kind of figured that out though. Nah, you got my shit, I'm not gonna lie. I even jumped a little.
I know, I let you.
I jumped, spun a little.
Both spun, and then I was like, oh yeah. I went into third, I was like, oh yeah. That was good. All right, that was good. Look at the next opponent. Oh man. I feel like the final boss. He's having fun. Can't believe we really tapped 160. I ain't even gonna lie. Allegedly. That's kilometers though. 160 kilometers. That's not even, unless not even 100 miles, and that's not even 100 miles, and that's legal on private roads. Come on. Oh my God, I thought he was gonna cut me off. He's a demon. Oh man. This shit sounds lovely. Let me stop. Let's go back on mid boost, which I was on the whole time. So I thought that shit went to first. Oh my God, I feel like some Mopar things is about to happen to me.